Hi viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. We are with CA Hanuman Garu. Today's topic is bank loans, how to export in the firm. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Nowadays, the bank loans has been export for it has been increased, right? So, what is the reason, sir?
Now, because banks are flooded with funds,
Okay.
people are saving money and depositing in the bank so that they can withdraw money at any time according to the requirement. Especially Jandan accounts. After opening Jandan accounts, nearly 50 crore accounts, nearly they have deposited zero balance accounts. The government expected zero balance accounts,
Okay.
but their deposits are 2 lakh crores in the banks.
Okay.
So that is a great thing that Indian people are more saving oriented. So, but for that reason, the banks are flooded with money. They want to give loans.
Okay.
More and more possible. As and when anybody was asked, they will give loans, housing loan. Because of that reason, many loans are available: housing loan, vehicle loan, personal loan, credit card, mortgage loan, gold loan. All these are for all these purpose. The banks are doesn't have shortage of money. Means banks are full of money to give all these loans. And sometimes to encourage the exports, because India needs foreign exchange to reduce its current account balance. That is
Okay.
import minus export.
Okay.
Means when the imports are more than exports, our negative balance will be there. So that will increase the dollar value. If the exports are more, imports are less, it will reduce the comfortable balance of rupee value. It will reduce the dollar value in form of rupee. So for everything, it should encourage exports
Okay.
and reduce imports as much as possible. And to encourage exports, India will get foreign exchange. The exporters will whatever the amounts the goods they have supplied, they'll get in foreign exchange, and that will benefit the current account balance of Indian trade and Indian deficit balance, current account balance. So for this purpose, the government encourages the exports. And banks also, there is no risk because the opposite party, the purchaser bank also will give guarantee to this bank.
Yes.
And for a short period of goods transportation from India to that country, only there will be some confusion or something like that until it goods are accepted by the purchaser. So during that period, there will be insurance coverage, quality check, everything will be there. And during that period, the purchaser needs, the seller, exporter needs some financial support. Otherwise, we cannot wait until the money received from foreign company, foreign purchaser. So for that purpose, on base of LC or letter of credit, and the Indian purchaser, Indian seller, Indian goods exporter will get bank credit on exports made to other countries. This is the support given by banks to exporters.
Okay. So, why nowadays the export growth are very high, sir?
Because of Indian reliability and Indian goods and services are improved.
Yeah.
Earlier, only Indian services were more attractive in the global market. Maybe software service, healthcare service, or any advice service. It was more attractive for the global market. Now, because of stringent conditions imposed by the central government about quality and timely supply of goods, and because of that, and the price also compared to other countries, the Indian goods produce prices less compared to other prices. So for that reason, the Indian producers are attracting the global consumers. So for that reason, the Indian exports are increasing year by year, especially after introducing PLI scheme, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. That is to encourage the manufacturing sector. The Indian government has given to subsidy encouragement to manufacturing units. And those units are exporting more goods and services to other countries.
What is the meaning of Indian merchandise?
Merchandise.
Yes, merchandise.
Merchandise goods exported.
Okay.
Services export also there, goods also will be there.
Okay.
We export not only goods, machinery, or our products, agriculture products.
Okay.
And sometimes defense products also will export.
Okay.
Textiles.
Okay.
Yeah, all these are goods. It's visible. And services, software services will support. accounting services,
Okay.
healthcare advisory, all these are services. So all these are, the demand is increasing globally because of reliability of Indian quality of service, timely of service, punctuality of service, the quantity and the quality of goods also. The reliability of global consumers are improving on Indian suppliers or goods manufacturers.
And what are the crisis impacts, sir?
Crisis is sometimes if there is a, suppose the Red Sea crisis.
Yeah,
Recently we
Red Sea.
got Red Sea crisis. That is because of war between Israel and Iran, indirectly Iran, but it may be some Yemen. So that ship which is moving from American countries to ASEAN countries,
Okay.
it goes through Gulf country, that is the Red Sea area.
Red Sea area.
So that will reduce the distance from, instead of going from entire Africa, rounding the African nations, it will come a shortcut, just like a bridge like that.
Okay.
And if you go around from African countries, it will take 7 days more. To come from this shortcut, that passage,
Yes.
Red Sea passage, and that will reduce 7 days. So because of Iran and Iran war, Iran and Gaza war, Israel is affected. Israel and Gaza war, Israel is attacking even Yemen also, and Yemen people are attacking the ships which are coming, merchandise means the goods transporting ships. That is merchandise ships means that is called cargo ships,
Yeah.
which are passing through that passage. They're what we'll call, they are taking it a hostage, and sometimes they are disturbing the crew on board, passengers, or they are taking as hostages all these crew members. For this reason, because of risk in Red Sea, the exporters and importers are using the long route,
Okay.
rounding the African countries. So because of the Red Sea dispute, this is increasing the time of the delivery from India to American countries.
Okay.
Because of this reason also, the time gap between the goods delivered from India to goods reached to the purchaser of American countries is taking some more time, and that also requires some more financial support. The banks are supporting even that delay in delivery also.
Okay.